What's up, y'all? Billy's back, the Freedom Warrior, and this is our last pillar, our fifth pillar of success. Guys, if you're on this video and you haven't watched the first four videos on the first four pillar of success, stop this video right now. Go back, watch the other four first in order. You already know what, I got the titles for them, so you won't make a mistake. Watch them in order for how important the five pillars of success are. And this video is all about artificial intelligence. It won't make sense to you on everything I'm talking about if you don't watch the first four videos. All right. And for those of you guys that watch the first four video, applaud to you for investing in yourself. I hope you took invest in yourself more and click the link for the masterclass. And if so, and if you guys are already in my masterclass and watching this video, comment below your success story. Comment below how much you love the masterclass. All right. So artificial intelligence will get back right after this intro.
This is my home. They're gonna need a fucking wrecking ball to take me out of here. They're gonna need to send in the National Guard, a fucking SWAT team, 'cause I ain't going nowhere.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. So the fifth pillar of success is artificial intelligence. Guys, do you see what's happening? We got robots. We got OpenAI, ChatGPT, other platform that's going to be in the masterclass that I don't want to name because they don't really talk about it. There's a lot of AI softwares that can help your business in a lot of different ways. And the four pillars can all make it easy for you and make it so that we're going to get right into it. Your AI can track everything you're doing. So that's called AI tracking. If you watch Not If for the third pillar is knowing your numbers, analytics, and tracking. All right. So once you know your numbers, now you can actually program your AI, which we actually teach that in our masterclass, how to track your numbers and coach you. Now, this is important because when artificial intelligence AI are tracking your numbers, they're basically going to tell you stuff that you can't figure out yourself because they're a supercomputer, quantum computer, that's constantly learning, and they're going to tell you exactly what to do for the next step, which is creating the perfect customer journey. And this all goes to customer relationships, chatbot, content, all that. They're going to help you create the perfect customer journey and help build that relationship, which is important. Customer relation. Now, I know you guys are saying, I don't want my business to be ran by AI or anything like that. There's a lot of different ways you can utilize AI. Your AI, your artificial intelligence software, can actually coach your sales team, coach your staff, tell them what's going right, what's going wrong. So it doesn't have to be officially just for your customers. They can be for your team, your staff, all that. Again, this is all in the masterclass, guys. I'm just showing you the front layer of a lot of different layers of systemizing and creating a foundation for your business and brand. So what's important is customer relationship management, which is CRM. We'll get into that. All right. So the next thing we're going to go how AI can help you is AI coaching, which, like I said, can coach yourself, your staff, your sales team, or your customers, your clients, you name it. So AI coaching, this is all part of a bigger thing that I get into. I'll leave for last so you see how everything connects. But AI coaching can coach you on everything and the past 4 pillars on how to perfect it, how to make it better, and set you apart from your competitors. Now, which is going to go to our next thing, AI for social media. This is going to show you what content worked best to collect the leads, to make the sales, to put you apart from your competitors, to gain more traffic, more views, more followers, you name it, more subscription base, whatever it is. AI for social media is going to help you with the analytics of your social media. Now, all this together connects because what is happening here is AI machine learning, which is also connect with, we're going to have a separate video for that, AGI, artificial general intelligence. Your AI is learning as it deals with your staff, your employees, your social media, your sales team, sales, your finance, management, all that, CFO, and all around 360 of your business. They're learning it. The more they learn it, the more you're preparing, you're adapting to the future of technology to the point where you're a big corporation, you know, up there with Apple, Google, you name it. So AI is the future, guys. Don't get left behind thinking that you can run your business without AI. It's not going to work, not going to happen. Trust me on that. So that's it, guys. That's pretty much it on artificial intelligence. We're going to go over it again. You know, AI for social media, AI for tracking, AI for creating the perfect customer journey, AI for developing the perfect customer relationship, AI coaching the customers, your staff, your team, yourself. And all this is AI machine learning, constantly learning your business to the point where it knows what to do to set you apart, to perfect your business, to constantly increase income streams all around, guys, all around. Now, that's the 5 pillars of success. Congratulations. Congratulations for watching all 5 videos. Now, the next step is, are you going to invest in yourself more? Click the link in my masterclass to show you the courses and the online curriculum to build that AI machine learning software for your business and have a team making you money, have a team creating your content, all that all around. So you can relieve your time, increase your income, increase your profit, you know, lower your expenses on your bills, all that all around. You're saving money, you're saving time, and you're saving energy. System, guys, a system foundation. System stands for save yourself time, energy, and money. So if any of the 5 pillars help you within your business or what you got going on, then click the damn link in the description, watch my masterclass, and make sure you join the program. It's a 90-day program that's going to get you from point A to Z within your business. And hey, if you follow everything in that program and it doesn't work for you, I'll give you shit. Trust me, I'll refund you. I'll take my time personally to figure out why the hell it didn't work. That's how much I know my system works, our system, because the team is behind that. I'm not the only one coaching as well. But guys, click the link in the bio. Make sure you subscribe. Click the link in the description. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. Turn your notification on. Follow me on social media if this helped out at all. All right, guys, love you. Stay tuned for the next video. Hope you guys learned. I know you guys learned something off one of these pillars, if not all 5. One of these pillars helped you guys out. So make sure you support a brother. Follow, subscribe, click the link, join the masterclass. Do something to show support. Love you guys. Billy Torr, out.
I'm the champ. Ay, I built the brand from the dirt like the champ. I'm about to show the people what I'm worth like the champ.